So the question that we've got here is to find the gradient of the line passing through the points 2, 5 and minus 7, 1. So if we just want a quick little sketch of what that's going to look like, it's going to be 2, 5 is up here, and minus 7, 1 is around here. So we know that we're looking for a positive gradient, so that's something that we can test when we get out of this. And now what we're going to do is use our gradient formula. So if we remember, it's the change in y over the change in x. That's how you're going to find the gradient. So this distance in y here and this distance in x. We're basically making a triangle along here, doing this change in y and the change in x. So let's go ahead and fill in our numbers that we have. So I'm going to call this 1, so our y1 and x1, the other one 2. So I'll do 5 minus 1 over 2 minus 7. Right, so I've just done this minus this over this minus this. And then putting those together gives me 6 over 9. And then I can simplify that by dividing the top and the bottom by 3, and I get 2 over 3. And there's my solution. So the gradient of the line that passes through these points is 2/3. And that's positive, as we checked, so that seems good.